Welcome to our idgard video tutorial to learn how to send files securely with idgard directly from the browser. Today I would like to explain you the idgard feature BoxMail. With BoxMail you can easily and securely send files via idgard. To do so, you just need to send a link without any installation of an additional software. You also have the option to increase the security with adding an additional password. The receiver himself doesn't need to have an idgard account to be able to download the documents. And how does it work? You first click on the button with the box and the envelope, which you can see here. And then you simply need to select the receiver's email addresses. Upload the files. And if you want, you can adjust the email template and click on Send. That's it. It's that easy and quick with the feature BoxMail. Now I'm going to show you how it would look like within your idgard account. I'm already logged into my account. Now to create a BoxMail, we just need to click on the BoxMail symbol, which I've showed you before. Here you need to enter the receiver's email address, as well as a phone number. And after that, you need to attach the files you want to send. If you don't want to adjust the template, you could already click on Create Box to send your files. If you want to increase the security level, just click on the section Security, where you could enter a passcode. You could either take a passcode we've created or you just create your own one. At the section Miscellaneous, you can define how long the box should be available, and you can enter a name for the box. After that, you can click on Create Box, and you will get a text including the link to the BoxMail. The link is here. You can also change the language if you, for example, have customers from different countries, which you can do here. And after that, just click on Open in Email Client. This text, including the link, will be added to your mailing program. If you want, you can of course still adjust the text. Now I would like to show you how this would look like from a receiver perspective. Therefore, I just added the link to another browser. If I already have an idgard account, I can easily log into my account with my username and password. If I don't have an idgard account, I just need to enter my data here, solve the captcha and enter the passcode. The last thing I would like to show you is how this would look like from your perspective. Therefore, I go back to my idgard account. In this overview, you see all your privacy boxes and data rooms, as well as the just created BoxMail, which you can see here. If you click on the box and after that on the menu item and on members, you can see who and when somebody has logged into the box with a one-time access. Now you know how easily and securely you can transfer files via BoxMail. Thank you for listening.